Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to IKEA. So my husband broke a bowl. We're only going to IKEA to get a bowl. So you guys are going to shop with us today. We're getting close to IKEA. I can see it from here. You see that blue building? It's IKEA. No, don't climb up. Here's the bowl that we're here for. I'll just get one more. Wow, these are like really cute and they're plastic but they look like glass. This display is so pretty with this like pink face and leaf. Look how cute this carton is, so tropical with plain pink hibiscus. How pretty is this? I just want the real sakura be blooming already. I found this vase here. It's $12.99. Found this pink vase. It was on a display, and then here is only the last one left. these are very cute too. A little fabric, a little light dusty pink. I think this much better, but the other one looked more tropical and cute. I'm home now from shopping at IKEA, so just want to quickly show you guys what we end up getting. Got this water thing for like plants, and then this oil vinegar dispenser. They are glasses and they are machine washable, so dishwasher safe. Yeah, I've been wanting like a small glass for this for my oil for quite a while, so I'm glad that I finally found them in IKEA. I just realized that this oil dispenser, they come with this holder. It's very elegant and cute. I didn't notice that. I thought I'm just like getting the 2 bottle. So this is a close-up. They're like glasses, and yeah, it's just very cute. And I just love this small size. With this holder. And I got this, my favorite chocolate bar, and this washing like doing chores kind of glove. I got it in size medium. And the bowl that my husband broke, and we got 2 replacement. And this like oven mitten. Yeah, just for I already have one of it, but like sometimes the dishes or like the food are so heavy, so I just feel I need another one, so both of my hands will have the mitten. And then this IKEA shopping bag, they are like really inexpensive, and they are just so big and so durable, very versatile to use with for groceries. And I didn't get those pink vase and plants, but we did get the picnic pop-up tent for my baby, and she's already playing it. We'll have it set up in the house, and she's having so much fun. So yeah, this is all for my IKEA shopping today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have fun watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.